How to become a credit manager. That's what we are going to see in this video. Credit management. This plays a very critical role, important role in banking industry as well as financial services industry. This basically involves assessing the credit worthiness of the borrowers who are approaching the bank or financial institution for loans and advances. Credit management also involves lending decisions, whether they should give loan or advance to that particular borrower or not. And this also involves managing the credit risk. And this credit management is very much essential for banks and NBFCs, financial institutions, to ensure they are giving only safe loans. When I say safe loans, it means they are giving loans only to those who are capable of repaying that loan and they don't default. And here comes the role of credit manager. So who is credit manager? Credit manager is a person who manages the credit risk of an organization. Here organization can be bank or NBFC or financial institution. Here the role of the credit manager is to evaluate the credit worthiness of the borrower, is to approve or reject the loan applications, is to manage the risk connected with the lending. We call it as credit risk. So this credit manager should be well versed with lending policy and procedures of that particular organization. Each and every organization will have something known as loan policy guidelines, especially the banks and financial institutions, and this credit manager must be well versed with that. He should follow those procedures. He should follow those loan policy and procedures. Only then he'll be able to ensure a healthy credit portfolio for his bank or financial institution. Becoming a credit manager is actually a great career option if you are interested in finance and banking. And your role as a credit manager is very critical to the success of your organization, because you have to ensure your organization's credit portfolio is healthy and the risk of default is minimized. In order to become a credit manager, there are certain prerequisites. Number one, you should have strong foundation in finance and accounting. You should be able to analyze and take decisions. That is, analytical and decision making skills is a prerequisite. You should have a good understanding of banking and financial services industry. Similarly, on the educational qualification side, a bachelor degree, let it be in finance or accounting or business administration, is usually required for entry-level credit management positions. However, even advanced programs or advanced professional qualifications, let it be CA, CFA, FRM or MBA, it can be beneficial for your career growth. So when we talk about credit manager, there are various other important aspects, like what are the skills you should have, how the credit manager interview process will be, what will be your roles and responsibilities, how the career growth is going to happen, what are the tips for succeeding as a credit manager. There are so many aspects like this, and all this I have covered in my free ebook, How to Become a Credit Manager. And if you want to read that, please check the description. I have given the free ebook link.